Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Tableau Prep for data cleaning workflows. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Tableau Prep, begin by ensuring you have the latest version of Tableau Prep installed on your computer. Open Tableau Prep Builder by locating it in your Applications or Start menu. Once Tableau Prep opens, you will see the welcome screen with options to connect to data sources. To activate Tableau Prep, navigate to the top menu bar and click on the Help tab. In the drop-down menu, select Manage Product Keys. A new window will appear prompting you to enter your license key. Locate your Tableau Prep license key from your Tableau account or installation confirmation email. Enter the license key into the provided field within the management window carefully. After entering the key, click on the Activate button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating whether the activation was successful. If successful, close the Product Key Management window. You are now ready to start using Tableau Prep for your data cleaning workflows. Import your datasets by clicking on the Connect to Data option on the welcome screen. Choose the suitable data source from the list, such as Excel, SQL Server, or others. Once you select your data source, follow the prompts to import your dataset into Tableau Prep. After your data is imported, you can begin cleaning and shaping it for analysis. Utilize functionalities like cleaning operations and join options to prepare your data effectively. As you work, remember to save your progress frequently. By following these steps, you've successfully activated Tableau Prep and can now optimize your data workflows for better insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.